a lot of you guys who are running the Google ads, reason your ads are not so effective is because your brand doesn't have reputation. It might not necessarily be the technical side of the work. It might not necessarily be your offer. Some people have amazing offers. Some people have websites that meet perfect 10 out of 10 scores. But that doesn't mean that your brand will maximize conversions just because you have all those like technical elements in place. Your brand needs to be acknowledged online. Your brand needs to have reputation across many different pages of Google. And what I mean by that is when people come across your offer, when people come across your ad on a social media or wherever you're advertising, large percent of that people is going to start looking for your brand plus reviews, or brand, your service keyword plus reviews. And then they're going to try to read what other people are saying, because a lot of the times what's happening right now in online is there is a huge uncertainty among the consumers. And the thing is, like, a lot of people have been fooled. A lot of people fell for like a great offers and then they didn't get the results. Many promises that people made that they got screwed over. So they're kind of losing the trust in all these online like advertising that they see. So what you want to do is the people like this, they're going to start and, looking up your brand reputation online. They're going to see what other people have to say. And if the decision that they're making to purchase from you is the safe decision for them. So what does that mean for your brand? That means that you need to build a strong foundation. You need to have news articles talking about your brand X, Y, and Z, your back end, your product, your leadership in the industry. Like all these things need to be like shared. Every time you make an important announcement for your company or do something important for your company, go get on a press release websites. Announce that you are doing X, Y, and Z, and why people need to know that information, So this is how you establish yourself online. Then you get your business, get a lot of reviews on Trustpilot, SiteJabber, Reviews.io, Facebook page where people can, review your Facebook page, Google page, anywhere that's like a directory is like Yelp. And basically, like when someone's doing a research, all they're gonna see is great information about your brand, all the things that you're doing. It's kind of like a journey for them to follow and to feel that you are somebody that's established. You are somebody that has reputation, and these are the things that people are saying about your brand, and they can see it, they can read it. Now they will trust you through the mouths of others. I mean, referral business is huge. So if you trust somebody and basically like you ask that somebody information about somebody else that you might be potentially doing business, and they said, yes, that person is somebody that I vouch for, guess what? You're going to go trust that person, because the thing is, the trust is already established with the person that you're asking. So now you can actually go and trust the other person that person recommended to you, because there is no risk of you actually having to rely on whether you're going to be screwed over or not. So this is why the referral systems are super awesome, because every single review online acts as your referral. Every single video testimonial out there that's about your brand, your service, whatever you're selling, that also establishes that trusted referral, and it becomes super powerful. It's almost like, if you knew somebody and you referred somebody over, it's almost that level of powerful. So you need to concentrate on building your presence. I mean, design the links, entice your customers to drop you reviews. Try to figure out how you can maximize reviews on all these platforms. I mean, Google has the first 10 pages available for your brand plus review. You can either have 10 different directories with 5-star reviews everywhere, just flooded, like hundreds of reviews on each platform. That's a powerful social proof right there. And then followed up with the video testimonials. Oh my goodness, you're going to be amazing. Followed up with written blog testimonials about your service. Imagine somebody's actually like writing a blog about your company plus review, company products plus review, whatever that might be. It's so powerful having the first page of Google like flooded with all the review articles from different credible blogs. And then you have the forum side. You can pre-position the threads for your company. So that way, like, it's your brand plus reviews, and then entice your customers to review your brand on the thread, to share their experiences on that thread. So that way you can get the Reddit thread indexed also, because Google now features the forums and answers from the forums in the sections with regular websites and directors and everything. So the forum section is also going to be covered. So more reputation that you have out there on the Google established organically for your brand's not only going to grow and have higher conversions organically, but your advertising dollars is going to be better optimized. Your ads going to convert more traffic, and more people that are also like familiar with your brand. Guess what? They try to come and do business with you in future as well. That's why we have all these like, brand search campaigns and all sorts of, different strategies. But concentrate on establishing reputation on all these platforms. It's very important. We're literally in 2024 right now, and we're about to like enter the era of technology that humans have never witnessed in their lives. Right now, AI is doing a lot of stuff. AI is doing like crazy targeting on Facebook. Literally, if you have the ads put on the open targeting, AI is able to figure out what audience is the best audience for you to really run the ads to and show the ads to. Because the thing is, like, Facebook has access to people's like phones. They literally like hear the conversations people are having, and they have AI analyzing those conversations and basically like, categorizing different data. Hey, this guy is looking for this. He's looking for security cameras because he just moved into a new house. All right, great. Guess what happens now? All the guys that are running ads on Facebook advertising for like a home security systems and cameras and things like that, all those ads are going to be showing to that person who is right now in search of finding them. And guess what? He's going to pick and choose the best one, and one of those ads is going to make a conversion. That's literally how this whole thing works right now. AI is getting wild. Search engine AI is also getting wild. Reviews are more important than ever. So right now, concentrate on going hard on your reputation. Start with the reviews. Those are the easiest. And evolve yourself into getting your customers to give you video testimonials, as much as video testimonials as possible. And then get written reviews of your brand on the blog pages. Then every time you have something important, go ahead and announce it on a press. Make a press release distribution of that announcement. And then also you can try to get some people to also elaborate and have an editorial coverage on that. I mean, there is a whole 9 yards of like how you guys can like do all these things. But I can't share all that information right now. This video is already longer than I was expecting. So if you guys, want to learn how to do this and actually like, really establish the presence for your brand, come join my Gorilla Wealth Club Discord. I'm going to put a link in the bio, and then we'll be able to like talk more in details, and I'll be able to provide you with some like a blueprint and things like that. So that way you can actually implement the strategy for your brand and really maximize your organic and ad conversions.